Good morning, dear student. Today we will learn General English of Standard 6. Today we will learn lesson number 38, articles. First of all, put your finger on the box. Adjectives A and are used to show or determine a noun that is not particular or definite. Hence, they are called indefinite articles. Now, read the sentences given below. Put your finger properly and read it. Then you have to understood. Karishma plays a musical instrument. Here a refers to the musical instrument, hence it is an adjective article. Also a means any one musical instrument. It could be a guitar, a piano, etc. Number 2, my mother took an egg from the refrigerator. Hence an refers to the egg. Therefore it is an adjective article. It is also means one egg from any size and refer to a thing that is not particular or definite. There is no size mention of the egg here. Now, number 3, the Times of India is a leading newspaper. Here the tells us about the newspaper, hence it is an adjective article. It also tells us about a particular newspaper. For example, the Times of India. Now, the article the is used to show or determine any particular person or thing, define, hence it is called a definite article. Articles: indefinite article an, definite articles the. Uses of the indefinite article are is as follows. Number 1, before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, alone, a case, etc. Number 2, before a word beginning with a consonant sound like you, yeah, though it starts with a vowel. For example, a university, a unicorn, a union, a European, a use, a usage, a uniform, a eucalyptus, a animus, etc. When you are using a and an, you have to hear the sound of the word. Then use a and an before the word. Number 3, before a word beginning with a consonant sound of W, though it starts with a vowel. Example, a 1 rupee note, a 1000 rupee note, a one-legged worm, etc. Now, uses of the indefinite article an according to the sound. Hear the sound carefully before using an in front of the word. Number 1, before a word beginning with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. For example, an egg, an umbrella, etc. Hear the sound of the vowel. of the word carefully, then use a, an before it. Before a word beginning with H which is not pronounced and therefore beginning sound is a vowel sound. For example, an hour late, an honest man, an heir, an honorary doctor. Expectations, a horse, a hero, a hotel, a historical place, a heroic act, etc. Before individual letters spoken with a vowel sound as follows. An amid, an ma sound of m is m. An sc, an st sound of s is s. Hear the sound carefully, then use a or an. Number 4. Sometimes an is also used before the following words, though it is not common. An hotel, an historical place, an heroic act, etc. Now, uses of indefinite article based on the content. Uses of indefinite articles. Number 1. Number value. The boy played with a ball. One ball. 100, a million, a crore. There is number value here in the sentence. A certain person or thing. I saw a movie. Any movie. A class. The tiger is a frisk animal. The whole class of tiger. Uses of definite article the according to the content is as follows. Number 1. Before a particular person or thing, one which is already mentioned or well known to us. For example, the Filmfare is a leading magazine. Here, Filmfare is well known to all of us. Number 2. Before a singular noun or adjective of quality used to represent the whole class. For example, the blind should not be considered weak. It is a really very great example. The cat family has wicks. Number 3. Before geographical names of river, seas, ocean, mountain, plateau, group of island, gulf, canal, plains, desert, wind, seasons, etc. The Ganga, the Indonesian island, etc. Before the names of the holy books, the Bible, the Gita, etc. Names of ships, aeroplane, well-known buildings and newspapers. The Atlantic, the Titanic, the Indian Airlines, the Times of India, etc. Superlative. The little girl is the most beautiful of all. Name of things unique in kind. The sun, the earth, the prime minister, the president, the king, the sea, etc. Other singular title. The army, the navy, the press, etc. There are lot of examples given in your textbook. Read all the examples carefully. I will send the PDF also to complete your exercise. Do complete your exercise in good handwriting. Thank you very much. Have a great day.